In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a friend on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com account, and there can be two different ways how we can add someone as a friend. The first and the easiest way to add user as a friend is just go to their profile, just like that, and then tap at that button which is called Add Friend. If you tap on it, it will send a friend request to that user, and they need to confirm it to become a friend. Also, we can, from chess.com homepage, click right here at the first icon, and then we'll be able to search for a friend using their name, username, or email. In that way. Then, once you find a user, your friend, maybe in real life, you can, in the same way, go to their profile page and then add that chess.com profile as a friend. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.